Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how I created my box braids. And if you guys definitely want to see how I created these box braids, definitely stay tuned to the video. But definitely guys, before we get into the video, I want to let you guys know that me showing you guys how I did my box braids will not be like a beginners friendly type video, but definitely guys stay tuned to the video to see how I created my box braids. But before we get to the video guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It is free to do so, because I just feel like I have so many views on my channel, but I feel like I don't have as much subscribers than I do views on my channel. So definitely guys, if you like my videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. All it's doing is supporting me, helping me put out different videos. So definitely support your girl, support Miss Keedy Baby with her subscribers. So definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so every time I come with a new video you guys will definitely know. And you guys, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know every time I upload a video that you guys are getting notified, because I get a lot of my subscribers saying that they don't get any type of notification even though that they click the notification button. So let me know if you get notified, you know, when my new videos come out. Also guys, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on these braids and how you like them. But yeah, you guys, I think that's it. Make sure that you continue to watch. And yeah, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hey guys, make sure you support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Hey guys, make sure that you head over to Instagram and follow me at mskeedybaby. I am very active on my Instagram page, so make sure you definitely go over to Instagram and follow me again at mskeedybaby. Thank you guys for watching the video this far. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Okay guys, I thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Also, make sure that you hit that like button if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video.